Welcome to the Gourmet Code. Today's recipe is the Caesar salad, which is classic and delicious and easy to make at home. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Caesar salad that's simple, healthy, and full of flavor. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. Romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, croutons, Caesar dressing, olive oil, salt and pepper. You'll also need a mixing bowl, a whisk, and a cutting board. Let's start to make our Caesar salad. First, let's prepare the lettuce. Cut off the bottom of the head of romaine lettuce, and discard any wilted leaves. Then, cut the lettuce into bite-sized pieces and rinse them thoroughly in a colander. Pat the lettuce dry with paper towels or a clean kitchen towel. Next, let's make the dressing. You can use store-bought Caesar dressing or make your own. I prefer to make my own dressing because it's healthier and fresher. Here's how to make a simple Caesar dressing. 1/2 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, salt and pepper to taste. Whisk all the ingredients together until well combined. Now, let's assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, add the prepared lettuce and a handful of croutons. Drizzle the Caesar dressing over the top and toss everything together until the lettuce is evenly coated with dressing. Finally, top the salad with some grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, a delicious and healthy Caesar salad that's perfect for any occasion. Serve it as a side dish or as a main course with some grilled chicken or shrimp. Thanks for watching. Try it out with your family and friends today. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.